I used to think like rabies is caused by only dog bite, but it's not true. Now let's understand signs and symptoms of rabies. You usually have no symptoms of rabies for several weeks when it enters your body. After listening this, you may feel anxious, but don't worry. This disease is preventable. Yes. Have you ever seen such kind of patient? This is patient of rabies. Probably you have heard of it, but do you know what it is and how dangerous it is? In this video, I am going to tell you each and everything about rabies. If you want to know in detail, please watch the video till end. Rabies kills 55 to 60,000 people globally every year. Around 20,000 cases are from only India, in which 30 to 60% reported deaths are occurring in children. Yes, children. So I hope you have got the seriousness of this disease. 7 years ago, when I was not in this profession, I used to think like rabies is caused by only dog bite, but it's not true. This virus can infect any mammal. We are also mammals. Now you may think, what are these mammals? Let me tell you, the animals who gives birth to live babies, not eggs, like cats, bats, raccoons, foxes, and many more. Just search on Google, you will get all the mammals which are around you. Now you may also think, why mammals? Because these animals are warm-blooded animals, and this virus can survive into their blood easily. They can't survive into cold-blooded animals. So we have to be aware about this. Now let's understand signs and symptoms of rabies. You usually have no symptoms of rabies for several weeks when it enters your body. In first stage, you will experience flu-like symptoms like fever, fatigue, cough, sore throat, muscle pain, nausea and vomiting, diarrhea, pain, burning and itching at bite side, and in final stage you will experience neurological symptoms like agitation, aggression, restlessness, muscle twitching, fast breathing, neck stiffness, excessive salivation, facial paralysis, and fear of water. It is also known as hydrophobia. This symptom is very common in rabies. Once this sign and symptoms appears, the disease is almost fatal. Yes, almost death-dealing. After listening this, you may feel anxious, but don't worry. This disease is preventable. Yes, with proper precautions and prevention, you can prevent this disease. How? Let's see. First, dogs and cats more than 4 months of age must be vaccinated against rabies. Second, do not keep wild animals as pets, and if you keep, then again you must vaccinate them. Third, keep away from dead and sick animals. Fourth, avoid touching and feeding unknown wild animals. Fifth, if any animal acting strange, then report that animal to animal control unit. So in this way you can be prevented from this disease. But what to do if you are bitten or scratched by infected animals? Firstly, don't get panicked. You need to follow some steps only. First, immediately wash the wound with the plenty of soap and running water. Why we are doing this? Because it will remove all the bacteria from the wound which were present in their saliva. Second, do not cover the wound. It will allow the wound to drain or air out. Third, get medical attention as soon as possible, because in hospital you will get anti-rabies vaccine shots, and these shots you need to take over 28 days for better result. And let me tell you, pregnancy is not a contraindication for rabies vaccine. So during pregnancy, if you get bite from any infected animal, then you must to take this vaccine. If you have not received this vaccine ever before, then your doctor will suggest you human rabies immunoglobulin. this will provide you immediate antibodies because the body can take more time to respond to the vaccine. So this will be the best immediate treatment to the patient. If you like this video, please share to your colleagues, friends and relatives so they can also get this information, because as you know that prevention is better than cure, right? Thank you.